Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about this plant right here. This is a whale fin Sansevieria, and mine's a little funky looking, but that's okay because that's what makes them special. So I'm going to be separating it because I kind of feel like this one right here is the classic whale fin Sansevieria, and then these two other guys are just doing their own thing, so I'm gonna be trying to separate them. And also I wanted to talk about how to care for this plant. They need lots of bright and direct light. Of course, since it's a Sansevieria, it can withstand low light, but that's not where it's gonna flourish. That's not where you're gonna be getting these babies from. They do not like to be moist. So when you water this plant, you want to make sure that you only water it when it is completely dry. That's pretty much it. Fertilize during the summer when it's growing to help its babies come out. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is take him out of his decorative pots. Okay, so now that he's here, I'm gonna take him out of his pots. Gonna get my tub of dirt and loosen him out of here. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna remove the dirt to see if he can be split, because there is a rhizome. This plant has a rhizome. This is its rhizome. This big, crazy looking root is a rhizome, and this is how the plant has babies. It will grow under the ground and then pop out a baby somewhere connected to this root, this rhizome. So this is the good stuff. This is what you want. I'm trying to remove as much dirt as possible so I can see what's going on, because generally the rhizome will be kind of easier to see. Like right here it goes up, and then this is the other side of one. Okay, so I separated this one. I think that this was already cut. It was probably connected. Okay, well this one was already cut. So here you can see where the rhizome was connected. That's really weird. I just got this plant, so... Well, here we have one. You want to make sure to put it into a pot that's going to be big enough to hold its roots, but you don't want an overly big pot because you can more easily overwater a plant that way. Let's see what I have over here. Okay. That one split apart easily too. So when you do have a plant that is connected by the rhizome, you want to cut it. You want to make sure that there's already roots growing from there so that the plant has something to start off in. So I'm gonna pot these up in separate containers, and I'm gonna switch up the soil. I'm gonna use different soil than this one that they came in. I'm just gonna set them down in here, and I'll be right back to get some pots. Okay, so I'm back. I put each plant into the pot that I thought would be best to fit them in. And now I'm going to mix my soil that I'm going to use. You want to use a soil with good drainage. Use a cactus soil mixture. So I have here a Miracle-Gro cactus potting mix. I'm going to pour that in here. And then because because I want to make sure that it is very airy and it will dry up quickly, I'm going to add some Miracle Grow Perlite also. So, and then just mix that up. See if I need to make any changes. Okay, so this is what my soil is looking like. Okay, so now I'm going to start filling these pots with soil. I'm just going to use this little cup. Probably going to need some more soil too later on. Make sure there's no air bubbles in the soil. So I just tap on it like this and they come right out. There we go. I think that looks really cute. It's a whale fin in a blue pot. Okay. So this one is done. I'm not gonna water them because the soil that I used is a little bit damp. So I think that should be good for now. And once it dries out again, I'll water it. So there we go. Next one. Okay, we pat out the air bubbles. Potting this one is just making me laugh because it's just so cute. It's so funny looking. He's just doing his thing. Alright, looking good. There we have our second one. And he is ready to be on his own. Okay, and I have this last one here. I was gonna put it in this pot. I feel like it might be a little big for this pot, but yeah, I'm gonna find a new pot for this one here. This one's a little too big. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I've decided that I'm not going to be potting this one. I'm going to actually propagate it by cutting it. And so I have my scissors here. They're sitting in alcohol to disinfect. I don't know if I'm gonna use these because they're kind of curved and that makes me nervous. I think what would be best is to use a knife, but I don't have a knife right now, so I'm just gonna disinfect these straight scissors. You want to make sure that it's disinfected and that it's sharp so that you can get a clean cut. So I'm going to cut this plant right here and just cut across. These scissors are not very good. And I'm going to cut right here. Yeah, these scissors were not the ones to use. Make sure that yours are sharp. And I'm just gonna stick these in. Make sure that you remember which side was the bottom part that you cut from, because that's the side you want to stick into the soil. Otherwise, you're not gonna get any roots. So I'm just gonna stick this in here with his friend. Literally just put it into the dirt. And this one also. There we go. So I have this plant here who's done and ready. These two will propagate. Very nice. And then I have this wonky guy over here that makes me laugh. And he's just living on his own. He's kind of like a taco. Alright, that is it for the video today. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single day. I'm out here every day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!